Really?
I'm right here. You passed me, and I was right fucking here. God damn it. People, I swear to...
Didn't even use the turn signal.
I think she did last second, then just cut right over. It's like I'm sitting...
I didn't see one at all.
I'm sitting right here, lady.
Good thing I wasn't that close to you.
Yeah. And all she's like, sorry. It's like, you passed us. You knew we were right here. This guy does it, I'm just gonna fucking take off some mirrors.
Stop cracking your knuckles.
Oh, actually it was tight. I just had to do it.
Okay.
I wasn't doing it because of her. No, it's just my knuckle. Like, I kept doing this because it kept popping.
Okay.
No, I'm not gonna... We're done. She said sorry. She didn't mean it, but she said sorry, so... I thought it was supposed to be a nice ride.
Can't get away from that either.
I know. I'm sorry, babe. I'm trying to be good. What's this? Oh, look, Panera Bread. This is where we're going. That's the exciting date night to a different Panera. I am gonna start rolling and then see where people are in the intersection. We're good. Kind of go up and left.
Turn signal's still on.
Mine is?
Fine.
Oh. Well, look at that. Look at that. It's fucking gorgeous, babe. Look at this. You can take up as much of that spot as you want. Oh, that guy wanted my spot. So did you have fun?
Yeah.
Awesome. And it was like a double date night. There was live music, there was other people drinking beer, and there was waterfalls.
And a cool filter.
Oh, and your cool filter. The good part is, everyone on YouTube already saw the pictures that they just saw again. If they were following our Instagram, which is Zanrith, of course. But they probably weren't. So now we're going home for dinner.
Yeah.
Let's do it. I have no idea how to get out of here. No, just kidding. We got this. Okay. Yeah. Kickstand. There you go. Okay. Sorry. Wasn't trying to, you know, belittle you or anything, but
I know.
just trying to help this time. And we're off. Whee! Stop! Make sure I'm zipped up this time. Okay, let's go home.
What way are we going?
Sorry, I was just looking that there's apartments available here. I just thought I was just looking at what they were and everything. Architect, sorry, we're going left. We're going left. Later, bye. Leaving. Well, we're probably not going to make this late.
And it's a no turn.
Where? Oh yeah, there's no turn. Guess I'm SOL. That's probably because the building's so close that you can't see around enough to know if you can turn or not.
And there's the parking spot. The parking places.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I thought more because the building, because like I literally can't see if I'm at the stop line right now anyway, so whatever. Was that a mullet? That was a mullet. I think it was just.
It's a baby mullet.
I think it was just overgrown, kind of like my mop is right now. Not quite that bad though, but I think it might have been a baby.
Baby mullet. It's at the beginning
of the end. It's the end of the world. Oh, no, that's not it. Ah, Wiener Schnitzel.
Wiener Schnitzel?
Oh, hi, Grandma. Thanks, dude. Don't hurt yourself, though.
Better hurry.
Run! Run!
That was in my ear.
Sorry. Oh, you kidding me?
Well, they had a turn there.
Yeah, they did. If it goes green this way, we're going to slide up into the intersection and have this guy crawl up our ass. Really? There we go. Go ahead, sweetie. Got worried there.
I told Safa that I guessed that one because I know a leprosol for your stomach.
Yeah.
That doggy wanted your bike.
It looked like my professor's Shiba Inu.
Uh-huh.
Well, YouTube, I think that's a wrap for tonight. Gonna go home, get some dinner, speed, I guess, apparently. And you know, until the next one, you guys keep watching them. Everybody ride safe out there, and we'll catch you whenever I make the next video. Peace.
Catch you on the flip side. I was waiting for you to say that.
What?
Catch you on the flip side.
Catch you on the flip side.